to install the server backup, you go to Manage, and then Add Roles and Features. And then you can skip this by default. Next, and you select the domain, and then Next. It's not under Roles, okay? It is under Features. So if you go down, you will find the Windows Server Backup here. You check it, and then Next, and then you do install. Let's wait for a few seconds, and we should have our Windows Backup tool installed. Perfect. So since the installation succeeded, so I can close this one, and then I can go to my tools, and then I go to my Windows Backup. All right. So I have this. Let's go step by step and do a new backup. So you can right click on the local backup here, and then you click on the backup schedule, and you will have the backup schedule wizard. Do you have this, or you have this?
We have that one.
You have this one, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so once you install the backup, so you will have something like the first one. Okay, and here choose custom. Okay, so we will choose custom to custom the files, the volumes, etc. for the backup. And then you click on next. And then here, I believe you don't have, I mean, it's void here for you guys, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what you are going to click on add items. Okay, click on the void here, and then click on add items. Right? And then in your here, so go to your home directory. And then from the home directory, open this plus, the plus sign for the home directory. Okay. And select the home folder and the public drive. So we have those two, right? We have the home folder and we have the public drive. And then click OK. So select those two, okay? And then we click OK. So you will have those two paths or two folders here. Right? Am I clear?
Sorry.
Continue.
You said home directory.
Yeah.
Is it in the local folder or local disk?
Yeah. So you go to home directory, you open this plus here.
Okay.
And then you check the home folder and you check the public drive.
Okay. Sorry, my VM was lagging because of Zoom, so I had to get back on my phone. That's all.
That's fine. That's fine. Just yeah, I know with the internet connection. So let me know if you miss any part, guys. So just let me know. I can repeat it for you. Anyway, let's continue. So and then here we click on next. Okay. So here you have, I mean, you can customize the backup or specify the backup time. Okay. So for example, let's say we do it once a day. I mean, it depends on your scenario. If you're, I mean, you need more than once a day backup, so you can use more than once a day backup, right? Or if you want like once a day backup, so you can choose just once a day backup. Okay. And the time for the backup is at 2:30 a.m. It depends on you as well. So this is because, let's say, this company, like no one is working and no one is using the domain at 2:30 a.m. No one is using the network, so it's not that busy at this time. So you can trigger the backup at this time and avoiding like the busy hours during the day or day hours. Okay, so we can keep it as it is. And if you want more backup, like it's more sensitive network, so or more sensitive data, so you can do wherever. So you can choose here, and you can choose any time, and then you add it to the other side, right? So for 30, you add it, or you can remove it as well. So it depends on your scenario. But we are going to use it once a day, okay? And then we click on next. So here where I want to do my backup, all right? So we need to specify the destination type. So we have three options, right? So we have backup to hard disk that is dedicated for backups, right? Or backup to volume, right? Or backup to a shared network folder. So we are going to use backup to volume, okay? And click on next. And then do you want to change the backup destination that are being used? So you can keep the current backup destination, okay? Or
So
modify.
Professor, which
You don't
backup
have,
destination did
oh, you
we
don't have
choose?
this? You don't have this,
No,
guys?
we have that one, but I'm
Sorry,
not sure
what
about the
destination did you pick?
Which one?
What destination did you pick? The last step. Oh, to a volume.
Yeah, backup to the volume. Okay. And then here,
What volume do we use? Are we using W source or the local disk?
no, not W source, no. So I'm coming to this. Do you have this window here?
It tells us to add a volume at that page.
No, here. Do you have the window?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It will ask you to add a volume.
Here,
Either your
right?
local disk the W source volume or the system result.
You have something like this, right? But
Yes,
without
so at
the
that page
local disk.
we can add the volumes we want.
Yes. So here you click on add, okay? You choose local disk C. So in my case, I don't have it because I already choose it here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So you choose the local disk C. Guys, next, and then we have just the confirmation. So this is like a summary to confirm what you are configuring. So you have the backup time, right? You have the backup destination, and you have the backup items. Okay, and then you can click on finish. When completed, you can close it. Schedule backup has been created, so we can actually run it now. Okay, so let's go and right click on the backup here, right? And then we go to backup once. So you click to backup once, and we will keep the scheduled backup options. Okay, we are not changing this. We click on next, and then here, so you click on backup, and it will create the backup. So once completed, here, as you can see, we close this one. Sure that you have the description. Under description, you have successful. So now, let's say we want to restore an item from the backup. Okay, so we can go to the local backup. Okay, and then we go to recover. Okay, and here you need to select the server if you have multiple. So you will have multiples, but we have the DC one. So we select the DC one. Okay. And then you can customize the time, the date, etc., the location. And then we click on next. Okay. Keep it file and folder here. Okay. So here we can see the available items that we have, or we back it, right? We have the backup all. So let's see where I have a test file. Okay, for example, here, I believe you have a test file as well. So we tested this before, or any test file you have. So you can go to your folder, and then you will see the document here, okay, or the last file, right? So you can click on that, and you can do next, and yes, original location, and we don't need to like create a copy, right? So we need to overwrite the existing one, and click on security, keep it as it is, and then click on next. Okay, and then we click on recover, and it's trying to recover. So here we close it, and we can see a file recovery successful. And this is all about it. So do you have any question?